kitchen's dim glow, where the shadows conspire. The dishwasher hunts, a machine born of fire. It scrubs not just plates, but the stains of the soul. A special contraption making broken things whole. Cycles of torment in steam and in soot, washing away sins in rivers of blood. A dishwasher of souls, oh, dishwasher of souls, rinsing the essence in depths cold and bold. Special and cursed, with gears that devour, cleansing the wicked hour after hour. Ah, the machine, it purges the night in eternal wash, no end in sight. Loaded with remnants of feast long decayed, the special dishwasher where spirits are flayed. Forks bent in agony, knife sharp with regret. It spins through the darkness, a fate none forget. Bubbles of judgment, foam of despair, washing the lost beyond all repair. Yodel-o, the dishwasher calls from the void, special in horror, souls overjoyed. Cycles repeating, no rinse can erase. In the folkish abyss, finding no grace. A dishwasher of souls, oh, dishwasher of souls, rinsing the essence in depths cold and bold. Special and cursed, with gears that devour, cleansing the wicked hour after hour. Ah, the machine, it purges the night in eternal wash, no end in sight. Hidden in cellars where the old ones reside, the dishwasher waits with doors open wide. It pulls in the weary, the damned and the pure. Special and magic no soul can endure, draining the life force in whirlpools of fate, washing to nothing in infinite hate. A dishwasher of souls, souls in the spin, special, eternal, washing within, in blood and in bubble. The cleansing unfolds, the hunger for purity, forever cold. Ah, the purifier, it claims us all, in darkest kitchen, eternally cold. Dishwasher of souls, souls in the dark, washes quietly, washes quietly. In the night, fade to clean, fade to clean.